Hi everyone, this is a quick version of the tutorial, so just head to my GitHub repository and download the zip. Once it's downloaded, please all, and you will have this folder. Open it up to the root of the console application, double click on it, open it. You might get a security prompt, just do more information and run anyway. So Control plus L, and then I paste the path in the console, and once you have the green prompt, that means you can start using the tool. So I will do a quick example using WordPad here, and we are going, for example, to take a screenshot of this whole line with my repo, and it's a screenshot, but it converted immediately everything to a text format. We can also head to this example here, where I have some books images, and I want to get the name of this author, for example, and I can just grab the screenshot and paste it in my document. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I hope you find this so useful.